5 Best Mechanical Keyboards. Number 5. Redragon K552. Custom Mechanical Switches. Ultimate Gaming Performance. Double Shot Injection Molded Keycaps. Red LED Adjustable Lighting. Metal and ABS Construction. Custom Mechanical Switches Designed. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Corsair K68. The ultimate competitive advantage. Accidents so your game never stops. Every key press registers correctly. Dynamic lighting effects. Context menu key presses. Software CD not included with the product. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Razer ADA Come. Soft cushioned membrane rubber dome. A crisp tactile mechanical click. 16.8 million customizable color options. Key rollover anti-ghosting. Membrane gaming keyboard. Perfectly execute up to 10 commands at the same time. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. SteelSeries Apex M750. Real-time Discord in-game lighting notifications. Durable 5000 series aluminum alloy. Easy and intuitive per key RGB lighting customization. Sleek aerospace aluminum core. Profiles for advanced gameplay. Featuring ultra-fast QX2 mechanical switches. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. Lightweight and rugged durability. Independent of external software. Built to withstand a lifetime of gaming. Dual-sided with soft touch finish. The 6 programmable G keys for in-game macros. Unleash blistering speed with the 1.2mm actuation. Please check the description for detail and price.